Hey everyone. Last time I took a video, I was going on about how I'm going to lower it. As you can see, it's still not lowered. I've come to a problem. I checked under the hood like maybe a week ago, and I noticed just a massive buildup of oil. Hold on, I'll try to get a bit of light for you guys. Nah, it's not gonna do it. No, yeah. Oh no, I get my torch. So I've been noticing like heaps of oil and all that sort of shit just around here. Like that shouldn't be that dirty. So I took the plenum off, and yeah, it's looking rather dirty. All these injectors are just real. That's gonna focus. Really dirty. Took the thermostat off, and that's basically what the coolant is. If you can see that. It's just rusty shit. So basically I'm just gonna get everything new, all new parts. I've ordered a aluminium radiator from Phoenix. New thermostat, new gaskets for basically everything, all new hose kit I've got. Hose kit there. Heater valve, clamps. I've still got so much more to do. This is the thermostat. Like it's just fucking never ever been changed. Ever. So, I mean, from the guy I bought it off, he had it for years and obviously didn't do a single thing to it. So I'm gonna have to just overhaul and just do everything. I mean, then I know it's a good car. Like, I'm just gonna get it reliable and then I can start doing like cool stuff to it. But that's what the progress of this car is doing right now. Hopefully it's done. I've never ever worked on a motor before. But the only way to learn is to obviously just get in and do it. So once that's done, I'll be able to do cool stuff like lowering it. I've found a few things on eBay, just like the lip. I want to get the SS lip for this, front and back. I want to get a cool, like, better steering wheel. And just bits and pieces that just makes the car look really cool. Obviously, yeah, new alternator. I just want to do everything new, just so I don't have to ever worry about it. And then I know it's going to be running really good. Like, probably need to give the serpentine belt though. Get a new belt, maybe some new pulleys or something. New headers, I want new headers. But obviously, yeah, I'm just going to stick to just doing the servicing part of the car first. I need to get new fuel lines because I fucking wrecked these. I cut them, so that's cheap. I need to get all new bolts. Maybe these ones. I mean, these are pretty stuffed. It's just shit. Bought probably the best thing I could have spent 20 bucks on is buying one of those. Can rebuild like the whole car just out of this book. And it's so easy to read too, so. Well, I'm just labeling everything. Since I'm getting new sensors. I'm getting new of those. Yeah, 20 bucks each or something like that. Yeah, so that's just a bit of an update, and if anyone's watching, just keeping you guys, updated with what I'm doing. But hopefully next video I'll have some more parts to show you, and yeah, do some more work. I'm gonna get some new rocker cover gaskets too, because I'm pretty sure there's a leak coming from that as well. I just don't know why there's so massive buildup of oil down in here, and it's just been there for years. Like, it's just dry, it's dry. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.